Hi students, how are you? Hope you are doing well at your home. Today we are going to start a new chapter in science textbook. Your chapter number is 14, that is shadow and eclipse. In this chapter we will learn about what do you mean by light, what do you mean by luminous objects, and what is the meaning of reflected light, shadow and its properties, and also we will know about the eclipse. In this video we will learn about the shadow first and the reflected light and the properties of shadow. So let's start our today's section.
Light and shadow. Light. As we enter into a dark room, we are not able to see anything even if we try to do so. The moment we switch on a bulb or a lighter candle, we immediately see all the objects kept in the room. An object is visible to us when light falls on it. When we see any object around us, it is due to the light. Therefore, the light is equally important to us just as the environment around us. Light is a form of energy that enables us to see the object. Sources of light. An object which gives us light is called the source of light. The sun is the main source of light for our planet. Burning candle, electric bulb, tube light, gas light, oil lamp, safety lamp, torch light, fire and flame are all sources of light. There are two sources of light. 1. Natural sources of light. 2. Artificial man-made sources of light. Natural sources of light. The sun has enormous amount of energy. It is the main natural source of light. Stars are also natural sources of light. Artificial or man-made sources of light. Burning candle, oil lamp, tube light, etc. are the artificial or man-made sources of light. They enable us to see objects during night time. Luminous and non-luminous bodies. The bodies such as sun, stars, burning candle, electric bulb, etc. which produces their own light are called luminous bodies. The bodies such as moon do not have light of their own. Hence, they are called non-luminous bodies. We can see it in shining because it reflects the light of the sun. When light falls on any non-luminous objects, it gets reflected in all directions. Transparent, translucent and opaque objects. When light falls on an object, it can have either of these three effects: transparent, translucent and opaque. The objects which allows the pass through them completely are called transparent objects. Example: clear glass and clean water are transparent objects. The objects which allow only a part of light pass through them are called translucent objects. Examples are tracing paper, frosted glass, wax paper and oil paper are the examples of translucent objects. The objects which do not allow to pass through them are called opaque objects. No object can be viewed through these objects. Examples for this are wood, chalk, notebook and bodies of animals. Shadow. When light falls on an opaque object, it cannot pass through it. When an opaque object is placed in the path of light is obtained behind the object. This dark patch is called its shadow. Size of the shadow. Shadows are very long in the morning when the sun rises. Their length starts decreasing till noon and then they are shortest at noon. Shadows go on increasing in afternoon and become very long just before the sunset. Take a source of light and a cardboard screen. In a dark room at night, place a cardboard screen at one corner of the wall. Ask your brother or sister to stand in front of the cardboard screen. Allow the light from a torch to fall onto your brother or sister. Can you see a shadow on the cardboard screen? You can see the size of the shadow is equal to the size of the brother or sister. Now ask your brother or sister to slightly move forward from the cardboard screen. What do you observe now? You can see the size of the shadow is larger than the size of your brother. The size of the shadow depends upon these factors. 1. The size of the object and the source of the light. 2. The distance between the source of light and the screen. 3. The distance between the object and the screen. Hence, we conclude that a shadow forms only when there are source of light and a opaque body and a screen.
In the next video, we will come with the eclipse. We will gain knowledge regarding to this chapter by continuing this topic into the next video. Till then, take care of yourself, students. Bye everyone.